In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send multiple documents in DocuSign. We'll walk through this from start to finish, so even if you're new to DocuSign, you'll be able to confidently send a packet of documents for signature by the end of this video. First, open your web browser and go to your DocuSign dashboard. This is the main home screen you see after logging in. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual account details. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the Home or Send area where you can start a new envelope. From here, click on the Get Signatures button. This is the option you use whenever you want someone else to sign your documents. It will open a new window or page where you can prepare what DocuSign calls an envelope, which is basically the package of documents and information you're sending out. Next, you'll need to upload the documents you want to send. Look for the Upload button, usually near the top of the page, and click it. This will open a file picker window from your computer or device. Now, select multiple documents from your device. You can usually do this by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking each file you want to include. Choose all the PDFs, Word files, or other supported formats that need to be signed together. Once you're happy with your selection, confirm the upload and wait a moment while DocuSign processes the files. You should then see each document listed on the screen in the order they'll appear to the signer. After the documents are in place, type in the name and email address of the recipient. This is the person who will receive the email asking them to sign. Double check the spelling of the email to avoid any delivery issues. If needed, you can add more recipients, but for now, just make sure your main signer is correctly entered. Next, add the email subject and message. The subject should clearly describe what the documents are about, and the message can include any brief instructions or context the signer might need, like deadlines or what to look out for. When that's done, click on Next, Add Fields. This takes you to the page where you can review the documents and, if necessary, place signature and other fields. Once everything looks correct and you're ready to go, simply click on Send. Your multiple documents will be sent together in one envelope for your recipient to review and sign.